Hey everybody, this is Eric from Nug Smasher announcing our 12 Dank Days of Xmas giveaway, where we're going to be giving away our one-of-a-kind, brand new, ultra exclusive X Essential Bundle. It's the white one with the beautiful white powder coating. What comes in the Essential Bundle? Why, a small collection plate, 2 magnets, a dab tool, silicone mat, and of course, 2 sets of every single kind of X extraction bag. The miraculous one that allows you to fit between 3 and 14 grams into one single bag, and you get it every single micron times 2. In addition to that, we're going to be giving away 22 prize packs for all of our runners-up, which is a dab tool, a nug packer, and 2 sets of stickers. 2 giveaways every single day announced at noon for 2 winners. That's a $60 value going to every single person. You should be excited about this. If you're not excited, you need to get excited about it. How can you enter? Head over to nugsmasher.com/Xmas. Check our social media accounts on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube every single day for your chance to win. Guys, don't forget, if you've already entered into our Thanksgiving contest last month, check your email, because we sent you some codes for you to get a head start on our 12 Dank Days of Xmas contest. So if you haven't received your email code, check your spam folder, whatever you got to do. But if you participated, we sent it to you. We will be announcing our winner on December 24th at noon on Instagram TV, just like we did for Thanksgiving, and we'll be announcing our winners every single day via Instagram and notifying them on email at noon. So go enter again at nugsmasher.com/Xmas. Thank you and have a fantastic highest of holidays.